My friend, just another friendly reminder. A snake will always be a snake. It can shed its skin, but at the end, it's still a snake. So you have to be careful with snakes. They will ask for apology, they will ask for things. At the end, they will not change. It's still gonna be the same. So a friendly reminder that you have to be uh, cautious to this type of people, and you have to make sure that you protect your peace, you protect yourself, because snakes, they don't care for as long as it's for their advantage. So always remember that, my friend. Be careful of those snakes, okay? So guard your peace and make sure that you love yourself. Take care of yourself. Until next time. Booyah!